Jeanette's creative hands. Let's make a sunflower. These are the supplies that you will need. Take your paper plates and color on them. After that, take glue, smear it on top of the plate. Then take brown pieces of paper and place them on top of the glue. Put the glue around the brim of the paper and take your yellow pellets and put them around the brim. Turn your plate. Take your twine and wrap them around the popsicle stick. Are you done? Good. Take your stem and some tape and tape the stem behind the plate. Now you have a sunflower! I hope you enjoy this. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a wonderful day. You are welcome to join me by subscribing to Jeanette's Creative Hands. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.